you, Tom. Thank you, Jerry. Who has their homework?
I have the homework.
Who has their homework?
I have the homework.
Okay, so you have your homework, Jerry. So that is 2 happy faces today. And Ethan, do you have your homework? You're here, and you did your homework, so that's 3 happy faces today. Tom, you're here, so you get 1 happy face, but you don't have your homework?
Yeah.
Okay. Leo,
No, I have homework.
you don't have your homework, but you're here today, so you get 1 happy face. Ben, you're here today, and you have your homework, so you get 2 happy faces, 3 happy faces. Woody,
Yes, I
yes, I have my homework.
I have the homework.
Good, you have your homework. And Angel. Angel? Do you have your homework? Yes.
Oh, where's that?
Ethan, come have a seat. Come have a seat. Thank you very much. All right, everyone, let's go ahead and take a look at the homework. Thank you. And Leo, I'll take this. Thank you. Notebooks for class. Okay, let's look at part A on your homework. Everyone look at your homework. Part A. Everyone take a look at your homework. Part A. Wait, Jerry. Jerry. So, part A says, write down all the foods you can see. I can see, what can you see?
I can see cake.
Cake. Okay. So who wants to write cake on the board? Okay. Quickly, let's count.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,